Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are going to see how to connect your Shopify store with Figma. First, open your Shopify admin page. Next, open Figma and login. If you don't have a Figma account, create a new one. To connect Shopify with Figma, we can use different plugins. One popular plugin is Paver. To use Paver, log in or create a new account. Once you are in Paver, click on the Connect or Plus button to link Shopify and Figma. If you haven't installed any application yet, your My App section will be empty. To install Shopify, go to the Shopify system, select Shopify, and click Install. There are various applications listed to help link your Shopify store. Choose LVY. Click Install to connect directly to your Shopify store. Next, add Figma to Paver. Go to the design option and find Figma theme importer. Click on Install and connect with your Figma personal access token. To find your token, go to your Figma account page, click on your account name, then Setting. Scroll down to find Personal Access Token. And generate a new one. Name your new token and set access permission as desired. Once finished, click on the Generate button. Copy the token key and return to your Paver account. Enter your token name and paste the token key. Then click Connect. Now, both Shopify and Figma will be accessible through your Payover account. Navigate back to the app and homepage of Payover and click on Store to import your design for Figma. Once the page opens, design whatever you want to showcase on your Shopify page using the Figma design. Import files from your computer and customize your design with text or other elements. When finished, select the design you want to import to Shopify. Right-click on the object and choose the plugin option from the list options. If it is your first time importing, you will see the option to manage plugin. Search for Payover. Select the Figma to Shopify plugin and run it. Copy the design to your keyboard. Return to your Payover page. Click on the desktop option and customize your page by pasting the design. Click Allow to view the Figma design on Payover page. Adjust as needed. Then export the Shopify by going to Theme and selecting Export Page to Shopify. You will receive a notification once the page has been successfully exported. Check your Shopify online page by visiting your Shopify admin page. Click on Online Store, then selecting Page. Your exported page from Payover will be displayed with the same name and timestamp. Click View Page to see your store. Thank you.